It's about time we showed you how you can check if your crypto is clean. One of the easiest and fastest ways is to use the AML analyzer on the BestChange website. This instrument relies on independent screening tools, so in this video, we'll explain exactly how it works. You're watching the BestChange YouTube channel. We know where to exchange. What is an AML analyzer and why do you need to use it? An AML analyzer is a tool that screens crypto addresses for connections to illegal or suspicious activity. It does the job in 3 major steps. Step 1. Analyze the transaction history of the address. Step 2. Check the address for connections to scams and high-risk sources. Step 3. Assign a so-called risk score to the address. A score from 0 to 30% means low risk. A score from 31 to 69% indicates medium risk. There may be indirect links to suspicious sources. A score from 70 to 100% signals high risk. The address is directly connected to illegal activity. Why is it vital to screen crypto addresses before sending or receiving funds? Crypto platforms, including wallets, big crypto exchanges, and smaller exchange services, are required by law to maintain the cleanliness of funds they use for transactions. If they spot that an address is linked to risky transactions, the transfer can be frozen and the owner of the address can be required to undergo an additional check. BestChange can help you avoid this situation. Just make sure you use the AML Analyzer tool before every transaction. The tool instantly shows the risk score of a crypto address, gives recommendations, and most importantly, saves your time and stress by giving you an all clear or warning about potential dangers. So, how do you use the AML Analyzer by BestChange? First of all, go to the BestChange website and open the Check Address tab. In the field labeled Crypto Address, enter the address of the wallet that you want to check. It can be either the sender or the recipient address. Then choose the crypto asset: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other. The analyzer can screen both native coins and tokens on popular blockchains. Next, select an independent analyzer that will run the AML check. You can choose from several trusted options. The cost of the check is no more than $1. There's also a free option that allows you to see whether the address appears in open sanctions lists. We're showing how to screen an address using one of the paid analyzers. Enter your email. You'll receive a link that will give you access to the AML report, just in case you forget to download it. After reviewing and agreeing to the BestChange terms, click Check Address. On the next page, choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment. After that, the analyzer will begin its work and soon provide an AML report for your crypto address. You can view the detailed results on the website or download them as a PDF file. As we can see, our address is clean. This means we can safely continue with our transaction. We hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more useful facts and guides by BestChange.